Ang grabe yung packaging, guys. Yung isa, hiningi ng friend ko. Well, dinala niya sa Germany. Oh, this one. I love this one. Let's unbox my packages from TikTok Shop. Well, this package is a lot. Well, tomorrow there's a lot of packages na dadating. Kaya, let's unbox this all, guys. Well, all of the things that I bought on TikTok is either house essentials or skincare. I mean, skincare. So let's start with this one. This one is retinol and PDRN moisturizer. There, Frankry retinol. So this one is my moisturizer and retinol. Well, tinasan ko na yung retinol ko. Before it was 0.1, but now it's 0.3. Next. Oh, this one is for my dog, guys. So, para malinis lagi yung ngipin niya. Here. Yeah. Okay, next. Oh, wait. This one is dried mango. Well, I've been wanting to buy this one kaya, guys. Damn! Oh my God. Ito-try natin siya. So, maggagawa tayo ng another video for this. Ang grabe yung packaging, guys. 3 balot yung packaging. Ay. So this one is nuts and berries. Berries, guys, dried, and also nuts, mixed nuts, guys. So yung overnight oats ko siya. Well, this one, alam ko na to eh. This one, silicone cupcake for muffin baking. Next, and this one naman is razor siya. Sa ano, bigote, pang shave. Ay, kuya, pull-up bar ba yan? Sa akin? Lagay mo na lang dyan, kuya. Thanks. Ito naman. Oh, this one. I love this one. Kasi, it's a cooling powder. Well, I love using this, especially na mainit sa Pilipinas. Hayop na yan. Well, I bought this thing. Una kong bili dito sa Watsons. Ay, sa SM. Buy one, take one. Well, buy one, take one pa din naman siya sa ano, sa TikTok. Pero sa Watsons and also SM, hindi na eh. Kaya dito na ako sa online bumili. Well, this one is a Snake brand. Snake brand cooling powder. Sobrang bango nito, like promise. Level 3 lang yung cooling niya, pero mabango yung scent niya. Unlike rin sa pinaka level 5 na cooling. Wild Tanaka yung mismong scent niya. And yeah, I love this one. This one is useful. At the same time, dalawa kasi to. Yung isa naubos na, but yung isa hiningi ng friend ko, well, dinala niya sa Germany. Other one, well, this one is probiotic for dog. Para malaganda yung healthy yung digestive system niya. Here. This one is Happy Tummy and Dr. Shiba ata to. And ayun, para sa aso ko. For dog. Lagay natin niya for dog. And this one, ano to? Oh! This one naman sa camera ko. Like hand grip. Pang grip sa camera. Ayan. Ayan. Pang grip sa camera to eh. Kasi before, meron ako yung ano, yung pang shoulder sa Canon. Nilalagay sa leeg. Yung lace. But, ang hassle niya na sa akin and I don't need that na. So, I bought this one. Next. This one. Oh, this one naman. Oh. Here. Oh my God, may letter pa oh. Perfect, may letter pa. This one is protein powder. And, well, I'm trying to take protein powder again, guys. But this one, wait, bubuksan ko. Here. It's vegan protein powder, guys. That's why kinuha ko siya and magte-take ulit ako ng protein. And ayun. Perfect, diba? Basahin natin yung letter, guys. We value and appreciate in the US. Well, I'm glad, basta glad na lang ako na full na meron silang vegan protein powder, especially kapag sensitive yung skin mo. If you don't want to have any breakout, try this one. This one is a lifesaver. And vanilla flavor yung binili ko. And this one, from what I know, is good for 1 month and 454 grams. Next package is this. Oh, this one naman is waffle maker. Waffle maker siya, guys. So, kapag gusto ko gumawa ng protein pancakes or waffle. Yeah. Mura lang bili ko rito, 300 pesos lang. And yeah, 3 minutes lang ata. Itatry natin siya sa next video. Maganda to. Nakikita ko sa video. And most lang mga reviews niya is maganda. And also maliit lang siya, oh. You can bring it anytime, anywhere. So this one naman is... It's Italian notebook, eh. Oh. Oh, nice. Oh, this one is nice. Well, this one is Italian notebook. So this one has a short story, questions, and grammars, for my Italian fluency before I go to Italy. By the way, si Kuya sa baba, dineliver yung yung pull-up bar. Anong oras na ba? It's 9:30 na, guys. Grabe si Kuya. Pero hindi ko na isasama yun dito. Gagawin ko lang siya ng next video. And also, ikakabit ko na rin siya rito sa labas, sa hallway. And yeah, these are the things that I bought. It's my essentials. Good. Some of it are good for lifetime. And good for 2 months, 3 months. Ayun. And worth to buy. Kasi lahat kasi ng mga binibili kong essentials, mostly online na kasi mas mura. Firstly, it's cheap. At the same time, lots of discount. Unlike doon sa hypermarkets o malls na mataas ang pricing because you're paying the rent on their store. But in here on TikTok, direct supplier kasi siya. And also lots of deals and sales, discounts. Kaya most of the products and also suking-suking ako sa TikTok. Kaya naggagawa na rin akong videos ng mga boodles, the things that I bought. So, ayun lang naman. So, well, thanks for watching this vlog. Well, I'll try to make another video of how I use specific things that I bought, especially my workout meals, supplements, those kind of stuff. And if you have questions or clarifications, just let me know. And ayun lang. Ciao, presto guys, Castimile. Pero ito ba papatikim ko sa'yo to. Ang pinakamasarap. Favorite na to guys eh. And also, adulting na tong dog ko, guys. 8 years old na siya. Bibigyan din natin siya nito, guys. Dentasticks. At tinan mo, favorite. Favorite mata,